So students, now we start with the package, how we can create the package. So first of all, go to the object navigator SCAT and then press enter. So SCAT is a transaction command for opening the object navigator, where you can find the number of objects that you have been created. So for in the object navigator, you can also find the programs that you have created, the classes you have created, the package you have created. So for creating the package, new package, you must have to go to the object navigator. So this is an object navigator where we have to select here the package. Just click on the package, and then if you want to create the new package, just give the new name. In my case, I am giving the package name Z SAP underscore new. Then press enter. When you will press enter, it will ask you to create the object. Click on the yes button. So it is asking for the package name. The package name we have already supplied, that is Z SAP underscore new. Now you need to give the short description. So this is our new package. So this is new package. Now we need to select the application component. This is called search list. You can see that there are number of application components are there. Suppose if you want to create a particular package for the particular application, like you can create for the finance, you can create for the supply chain management, you can create for the product life cycle management. So click on the particular. In my case, I am just going to select with the application platform. Just you can explore it, and either you can select it for the master data or classification system. You just select the AP here, or either you can also choose the CA, that is called cross application component. So that depend upon you in which type of application you want to create. So in my case, I'm just going to select here the CA and then click on the choose button. The software component leave as it is, that is home, and the transport layer, this layer is responsible for transferring your project or your product from development system to the production system. So now you just select the OK button or continue button. When you press continue button, it will create a package, and the package name is Z SAP underscore new. So now it is asking for the change request. As I already told you in this previous slide, that the project leader has to assign the change request to their team members. So by this one, you can create the change request. So for creating the new request, you just click on the new button, that is your create request. So here you can give the short description for the new request. Suppose this is your new request, so I am giving it this new request to suppose a XYZ person. So I am giving that XYZ, and the owner is BC user. So this is the task we have given, that is the new status, and then click on the save button. When you will click on this save button, it will create a particular new request number for the owner, that is called BC user. So you can see that this is your new request, and the request number is NSP K9 and 4 times 0 and then 4. Then click on the continue button. So by this way we can create the package in SAP ABAP. Now our new package has been created. Now if you will create the new objects, like a function module you want to create, and your ABAP program you want to create, just create it, and then it will ask to save that object into a particular package. Then you need to select the package name there, that is the package name will be Z SAP underscore new. Let us we see with this with the help of an example. So for creating the particular new program in SAP ABAP editor, you need to select the particular workbench tool, and the workbench tool for this SAP ABAP editor is SC38. So by this transaction you can open ABAP editor. When you will press enter, it will not open SE38 because we are currently in the object navigator. So firstly we need to close it and we need to open the another workbench tool. For doing this you can use /n and then you can use SE38. When we use this /n, it will close your current workbench tool and then open the new workbench tool. When we will press the enter, it will close the object navigator and opening the new workbench tool, that is ABAP editor. Now you need to specify the program name. So here I am giving the new program name, that is your Z hello. Then we need to use the button create button. When I will press on this create button, it will ask you to create the project. So it is showing that Z hello already exists. Please choose the another name. We can choose the another name, Z hello underscore new, and then press the create button. When you will press the create button, it will pop up a window and it will ask you to the title. Title is our new program. So this is our new hello program. Then we need to select the type here. So this will be your executable program. Then click on the save button. When you will press the save button or press enter, it will ask the package. Now we need to select the package name here. So recently we have created the package, and the package that was ZSAP underscore new package. So now you can press the save button. It will save your new hello program into the package ZSAP underscore new. Now you can see that the change request that we have assigned to the BC user, that was the new request. So you can see that this is new request, and then press enter to continue. Now your program has been saved to a new package, and the package name was ZSAP underscore new. So by this way you can create a new program and a package in SAP NetWeaver.